Hello dear paper friends. Today let's design a frog cute sticky notes. I designed it in Canva. I downloaded it in PDF and you can find the link of this design in the description. After you downloaded it, you can put the design into Canva and you can edit it if you would like. Please use it only for personal use. Thank you. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please subscribe and push the like button, and please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye.